Okay guys, I'm rolling into Walmart. I'm gonna see if I can get an outfit for the holidays. Something comfy, casual, and trying to get everything for 50 bucks. These little cardigans, I have my mask on, so I hope you guys can hear me. These little cardigans are $11 on clearance. I'm seeing 2X's, larges. This is a 3X. So they go to small to 3X. This is a 4X. I love this color. It's pretty. Let's see. See the colors, kind of like a tobacco. Cute. I think I might get one. Okay, that's a 2X in black. That one. Let's see if I can find a 1X in black. They have a pocket. That's a 1X, so I got a black. Okay. So I'll decide which one I'm gonna keep. Now guys, I really like this outfit. I love that quilted. I love this quilted look. I love the color. They have it in this color and black. They have extra small up to 2X. But look at the price. $26.90. That's $27. That's half my budget. And then they have these tops here. $26.98. And so I'm not, for me and for my shape, you know, I don't need this top, but it's really cute, like for the young girls. So, but I am gonna consider the black pants. Okay, and then I got those. I've got the sweaters on clearance. So let's see what I can pull together. Hi family. Okay, I made it back from Walmart, and it's cold out there, y'all. So I like to get up early. And when the weather's bad, I like to get out because it's not as busy, and I still wear my mask, so I'm trying to avoid crowds. I never got COVID in all these years. I shouldn't say that because I might jinx myself, but you know, I've been following the guidelines, and I never got it yet. I stay away from crowds. I still wear my mask. Okay, so this is what I got. My goal when I went there. Okay, first of all, I had to go there. I had to get a couple of gift cards. So that's why I went to Walmart today. And then I said, I need a, you know, outfit just in case someone comes through. You know, I want a nice outfit, new outfit. You know, nothing, just, you know, some jogger pants or something like that. So let me show you what I got. Okay, now this, I showed you guys the cardigans that were on clearance. They kill me when they say clearance, but that doesn't mean it's going to be, you know, this was a good price. This is a nice quality cardigan. It has a pocket, And I only wear black. I had that tobacco colored one in there in my cart, but there's no sense in me buying that. And I like how it has a nice little like swing back to it. So let's see, it's from Terra Sky, designed with the planet in mind. And the original price was $17.98. And they marked it down to $11. So that's cute. Okay, so we got that. Let's see, and I got these earrings because since I wear so much black, I like to have some bling on. So when I can see some rhinestone earrings, I get those. And these are in the shape of a heart. And the original price says $4.88. It rang up as $3. These are cute. Look at these. I love them. That's so me. Okay. All right. And then, yes, I got those quilted joggers. And here's the bottom of them. I'm trying to sit, we don't have the best lighting here, and I'm sitting in front of we got a little sunshine today, so I'm sitting in front of the window, so that's why. See, I love that quilt. That's so on trend, these quilted outfits. And then you wear them with some little, like high top boots with the fur or something. I have some I got from Burlington last year. I could wear them like that. Nice pocket, good reinforced drawstring, my type of thing. And now that my Burlington is closed, I'm gonna have to be shopping at Walmart because I'm not gonna be running all over town and burning gas and all that all around town. So, if I need something, I'm just gonna have to get like basics and stuff from Walmart. At this point in my life, I really don't need clothes, but I want, to, freshen up my stuff. Okay, so this was, how much was, this was $26.56. So I'm still under budget. Okay, and then I got a crossbody bag. Look how cute that is. And look how long, I'm not taking the strap off yet, but it's a long strap. So when I'm out and about doing, shopping and trying to find deals and sharing content with you guys, this is a nice crossbody bag. And the original price was $18, what is it? Almost $19, $18.98. It's really cute. And it rang up, it was already on clearance, $13. So I made my budget. I got 2 accessories. I got a cardigan. I got some jogger pants. I got plenty of black shirts. And then, see, here's the purse here. You got have a opening there. I like this detailed here. And it's a nice quality material. And then you got that. We have an opening here. So it's a nice crossbody. I need stuff. I don't need those really, really tiny ones, but it's perfect. And then the Christmas gift Greg, my hubby got me, will match all of that. Okay, so yes, I came under budget. This was $13, $26, $11, and $3. Yes, so it came under budget. Okay, so then I remembered I had a gift card I needed to use. So since I was already in there, I was going to try to save that gift card for some clearance stuff, but no, you got to get it now. You see something you like. So I did. I needed a long sleeve top. Just long sleeve, nice top. These were $3. This is the Time True, same brand, $3. And I love that color of the tobacco, that tobacco colored quilted set. But this is how I can get it, because I wear black, but this is how I get color into my wardrobe by accessories. So I saw this cute hat, and I'm a crocheter, and so I like the design on this. I could recreate it, but it was just $9.99. It was just under $10. I could make, and then how cute is this with the nice, it has a nice velvet inner, velvet, and it stretches. So I thought that was cute. So that's how I can get that color into my wardrobe without spending 30 bucks. I think those quilted, that quilted outfit, it's going to clearance out because I saw it around Thanksgiving, and unless they re-upped it, but I saw Thanksgiving, those aren't moving that fast for $26. So those are cute. And then I found these, and I had a pair similar to these when I was working at AT&T years ago. I think they were like Sam, or they might have been Clark's or something. And I saw these quilted. See, I got some more quilted in my wardrobe without spending a whole lot. Now, the original price was $19.99, and these were on clearance for $13 as well. True, Time True. So I got a nice little outfit. So I was able to burn that, the balance that I had on my gift card. I burned that up. I got a pair of shoes, a hat, and a shirt. My outfit's complete. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, family, here's everything. And everything came from Time True. Everything was it came from Walmart, but it's the Time True brand. And I don't shop there a lot, so wasn't familiar with that brand, but I like it. So here's the hat. I love that color, and I wanted that in my wardrobe, but I didn't. Everything else in this color was kind of, in the $20 range, and I wanted to stay under that. So I was able to get the color into my wardrobe by just paying $9.98 for a hat. I love the texture. And then I got the cardigan here. It was on clearance for $11. It was like $19 originally, and they marked it down to $11. And these Time True, let me make sure, are these Time True as well? Yes. And the quilted joggers, I love them. So I paid full price for these, $26.90, $26.55. Paid full price. That's the only thing I paid full price for. Got the Time True long sleeve casual top here. It's kind of like a tunic. Got that. Got this nice, this is Time True as well. And I got that crossbody, $13. And the Time True memory foam quilted and patent leather ballet slippers. I got those. Now, if this isn't comfy and can take you anywhere, I don't know what is. And then, okay, and then I like to add my bling because I wear black all the time. And I got these Nobo heart rhinestone earrings for $3. They were marked down to $3. So I love it. So just wanted to share that with you. My mom broke me into, my mom used to give me her credit card. Go down to Lazarus. Lazarus was, like the Macy's, in our town. And, you get your outfit. And I started getting better and better. And one time, the last time she gave me her card, and I went over a little over $200. And I probably was maybe 19 years old then. She says, okay, that's it. So I went over went over a few dollars, and she's like, she didn't give me her card anymore to charge stuff. But I had, started working and, doing my little, working my jobs. So, after that, I just, I didn't even want her to go through that expense anymore unless she wanted to. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. My OGs, my posh partners, and my tastemakers. You know how to stretch a budget. That's how we've lasted this long. But some of my newer subscribers, just take some time. You don't have to flex all the time. Flexing is fleeting, and that should be a saying. Flexing is fleeting. You flex for a moment, you spend that money's gone. Hardly nobody cares. And the people that might really care, they're jealous and they may try to take it from you. So you don't always have to flex. Get some good stuff. The name of the game is to look good. Spend some money, but not all your money. Okay. All right. So just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you so much for all of your support. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, Mom.